K12 Max 4K HD FPV Drone, triple camera, brushless power, optical flow and mobile control quadcopter. Elevate your aerial photography game with the K12 Max 4K HD FPV Drone, a smart, feature-rich quadcopter designed for high-performance flight, cinematic visuals, and user-friendly controls. Whether you're an aspiring aerial videographer, drone enthusiast, or first-time pilot, the K12 Max delivers a balanced blend of power, stability, and clarity in the sky. 4K triple camera system, a new dimension of vision. Unlike standard drones with a single lens, the K12 Max features a cutting-edge triple camera setup. The main 4K front-facing camera captures ultra-sharp video and crisp still images. Meanwhile, two additional auxiliary cameras, including a bottom optical flow lens, offer enhanced perspective control, real-time FPV, first-person view, streaming, and improved stabilization, giving you full visibility of your surroundings from above and below. The drone supports real-time image transmission via 5 GHz Wi-Fi, sending ultra-clear visuals straight to your smartphone or compatible device. With mobile control features, you can fly the drone using gestures, your phone's gyroscope, or draw custom flight paths directly on the screen. Gear brushless motors, smooth, silent, strong. Equipped with high-torque brushless motors, the K12 Max delivers stronger flight performance, better energy efficiency, and significantly less noise. These motors also extend the drone's lifespan and improve stability in breezy outdoor environments, perfect for capturing shake-free footage during flight. Satellite advanced flight technology, easy, smart, stable. The K12 Max is built for intuitive control, featuring a suite of automated flight functions such as one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold for stable hovering, headless mode for orientation-free flying, optical flow positioning for indoor precision flying, waypoint flight where the drone follows your drawn path, gesture control for snapping photos or starting video hands-free, 360 degrees flips for acrobatic fun. It also supports mobile control through the companion app, allowing full FPV experience and flight customization from your smartphone. Battery long flight time, fast recharge. The drone features a modular lithium battery, offering up to 18 to 22 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Modular design ensures easy replacement and safer battery handling. The USB fast charging system allows quick recharges so you're ready to fly again without long downtimes. Specifications. Model: K12 Max FPV Drone. Main camera: 4K Ultra HD, adjustable angle. Additional cameras: bottom optical flow plus auxiliary side camera. Transmission frequency: 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Control distance: up to 500 meters, depending on environment. FPV distance: up to 300 meters. Flight time: 18 to 22 minutes. Battery: 3.7 volts 1800 mAh modular LiPo battery. Charging time: approximately 90 to 120 minutes. Motors: brushless. Flight modes: headless mode, altitude hold, optical flow, gesture photo, video, path flight, one-key takeoff, landing, emergency stop, camera functions, real-time FPV, 4K resolution, images, HD video recording, bottom camera switching, manual angle adjustment, app control. iOS and Android supported. What's in the box? 1X K12 Max Drone, foldable. 1X remote controller. 1X 3.7 volts 1800 mAh battery. 4X spare propellers. 1X USB charging cable. 1X screwdriver. 1X user manual. 1X storage case, optional in some packages. Ideal for beginner and intermediate drone pilots, content creators and vloggers, outdoor aerial photography, kids, teens and adults, budget-friendly drone enthusiasts.